The new model marks the debut of VW Group's new front-engine, rear and all-wheel drive MSV architecture, for which Porsche was the development lead, and the new Porsche-developed 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. Compared with the old Panamera, the wheelbase has been stretched 1.2 inches to 116.1 inches, with the front axle moved forward half an inch relative to the firewall. The entry-level Panamera is powered by the familiar 3.0-liter V6 with 330 horsepower. Panamera S models get the new Audi-developed 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 massaged by Porsche to deliver 440 horsepower and 406 pounds-to-foot. The Panamera Turbo V-8 develops 550 horsepower and 568 pounds-to-foot and features cylinder deactivation, a first for a Porsche engine, which reportedly delivers up to a 30% improvement in fuel efficiency.